Hi everyone, it's Tony Carver from TLC Style and Colour here for you again with my series of videos on decluttering your wardrobe in small, manageable chunks. So why am I doing this? Well, I do offer both virtual and face-to-face declutter wardrobe sessions, but sometimes people can feel quite overwhelmed and actually they don't have the time to do a full session with me or indeed on their own. And actually what can be easier to achieve and still as satisfying is actually to declutter certain areas of your life. So that's what my video series have been on, and this particular one I am focusing on neutrals for you. What I find quite a lot of people say to me, and when I meet them as well, is that they've got a wardrobe full of clothes, they feel like they've got nothing to wear, and they don't know how to put colours with things that they've got either already in their wardrobe or that they haven't got enough things that match or that go together, you know? And it's different people's personality as to how important that is a factor for you. But if you have your colours done, for instance, you'll have your own swatches and you'll have your own wallet. My wallet's disappeared, but these are my swatches. And what you'll have as well, hopefully you can see the little N in brackets there. They denote that they're a neutral colour for you. And one of my advice to people when they've had the colours done is actually to focus on some of the neutrals as well, because when you've got, say, trousers or jeans in a neutral colour, it can be easier to add a colour simply by changing your top, and actually you can do that quite cost effectively. Equally, if you're a bit frightened of wearing colour, your easiest thing might be to add something like a scarf. And if you've got a neutral colour, then actually you can continue to wear your neutral colours that you're comfortable with and simply add a pop of colour through something like that, or even through something like a bag. Okay? So, depends how comfortable you are, but neutrals can be really versatile. And they tend to last longer throughout the seasons. I'll give you an example with this jacket here. It's a jacket which I've had for a while. Some of you might have even seen me in it face to face. It's got a classic pattern. It's that kind of sort of houndstooth, dogtooth sort of pattern to it, a check essentially. And what you find, I've got a neutral and navy top on, and this is also neutral because it's grey. Now, it's not too dark that it overwhelms my delicate features, but equally, it's not sat close to my face. So actually, I won't do too much about colour because I do have a video series on how to wear neutrals. But what you'll see is not only have I smartened up the look, it's changed the simplicity of the top as well. And actually, it does tend to last longer through the seasons because of the kind of classic pattern which won't date. So it's a tick in both boxes for me, and actually really versatile. I can wear it with trousers, I can wear it with jeans, I can wear it with black skinny jeans and normal classic jeans. Okay, so you'd be surprised at the difference that having a few key neutral items in your wardrobe will do. So if you've not had your colours done, what you have to think is neutrals are things like browns, greys, blacks, and those kind of stony colours. Those are neutrals. And what you can do is have a look in your wardrobe and see how many neutral colours you have. So for instance, if you've got some jumpers, navy jumper, like a kind of stone coloured jumper, you might even sort of have the kind of, or greys and things like that, because they're going to be versatile. The more things you can wear with other things, then the more use out of them you're going to have. So a neutral audit can be really good if you always feel like you haven't got anything to wear. Now, what I would also say to you is once you've gone and done your neutral audit, what you need to be doing is making a note of anything. So if you're looking in your wardrobe and thinking, do you know what, I haven't got a jacket like that, or I haven't got like a pleather or a leather jacket, and actually that's really going to be versatile and I'm going to get my use out of it, make a note on it, either on your phone or in a little pad, and make sure you keep it with your swatches. Because then when you go out shopping, you'll have your swatches with you and you'll have your little note of the key items that you're looking for. A quick story, I looked and searched high and low for months, months and months and months for a pair of teal jeans. Some of my friends who know me will think, oh God, not the teal jeans again. But in all seriousness, I wanted a pair of teal jeans because what I felt is it would really combine themselves with other things in my wardrobe. Because I have teal, I've got pinks, believe it or not, you know, and all those kind of things. And I felt that one of the items I was lacking was a pair of teal jeans. And surprisingly, it was difficult to find a pair of teal jeans. But a few months ago, I found some teal jeans. They weren't perfect. However, they ticked a lot of boxes for me. So actually, I bought them. So it just goes to show I had that on my list for at least 6 months, if not longer. So don't be frustrated if you can't necessarily find something straight away. Some things you will stumble across. And if you've got it in your mind and you've got it on your phone or you've got your list, then you always know what it is that you're wanting. And when you find it, not only is it a eureka moment, but you also know that then when you've got it, you're going to be able to wear it time and time again. So have a look in your wardrobe, make any lists about what you're missing, and have it in you, on your bag, in you on all times. Carry it with your colour swatch wallet when you do go shopping. And remember my motto, it's all about pounds per wear. The more times you wear something, the more value for money it is, and the cheaper the item becomes. Because if you spend £20 on something and you wear it once, it's £20 per wear. If you spend £20 on it and you wear it 10 times, it's £2 per wear. And when things are, don't be afraid to get rid of things that don't work for you or that you've fallen out of love with. Once you've actually got that wardrobe full of clothes that works for you, it'll be tidier, you'll see what you've got, and actually you'll feel happier at what's in your wardrobe. So that's my declutter exercise and advice in terms of a neutral audit for you. If indeed you need any help with your wardrobe or your shopping or indeed your colours or anything else, please don't be afraid to get in touch. And I'd love to know, tell me how you're getting on with these little mini declutter sessions. So I hope you've enjoyed this video in the series, and good luck with your declutter session.